modern DIYer. My name is Zulia Garza and I like to entertain you at least once a week with creative DIYs, room makeovers, and lifestyle videos. Today is such an exciting video because I can say this. A big thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video and a little bit more about them later. For today's DIY, I got so inspired when I went up to Blue Mountain. If you missed that video, I'm gonna pop it right here. But I was so inspired with the art that I saw there and I just want to recreate something like that. So what I'm going to be using is joint compound. Joint compound is what I used on my first video here on YouTube. If you've never watched that, I will definitely be dropping that one right here as well. It really creates beautiful texture and I think that's going to be great for what I have in mind here. I'm starting off by combining the joint compound and acrylic paint. I'm just using a blue one as my base because I want the base to be blues and black and a lot of texture. So I was using my spatula and now I'm using my spoon just to get everything out of the bowl, and then I'm going in with the spatula again just to spread everything out. There's really no rhyme or reason. I am not really thinking at the moment. I am just spreading some colors around. Next I went in with just a little bit of joint compound because I wanted some colors that were mixed together but not mixed together, if you know what I mean. So I left the blue in there and I just added the joint compound, which is white. Then I started to create some petals with a little small spoon. I'm going to pause here for a second because I am feeling like maybe I should have done more of a darker background. I really wanted this piece to be moody, not more on the springy bright side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it outside and I'm gonna do some spray painting in black. Now you're probably wondering, Zulia, do you know what you're doing? And the answer is no, I don't. But is it gonna look good? Also, I don't know. I'm gonna bring it outside, do some spray painting, and then we can layer some of the rest of the colors after it dries. I feel like right now it's a really good time to stop for a second and talk a little bit more about our sponsor, Ana Luisa. I love supporting their brand because they're 100% carbon and water neutral and everything is ethically sourced and produced. They also have great sales all the time. Ana Luisa has been a jewelry brand that I personally been wearing for over 2 years now, so when they messaged me, I was thrilled, obviously. And not to mention, I can definitely recommend this brand because it's something that I would wear myself. They send me a few beautiful pieces that I am wearing right now. I am so excited with these pieces. I've been wanting herringbone necklace for so long and I love to layer pieces. So for me, this would be my look. I like to do hoop earrings, like big ones, or I sometimes just do small ones. This one is another pair from Ana Luisa's collection with the diamonds, and the other one is big hoop earrings that are called Cuidado, which I like their names. I really appreciate when they have extenders that have little details like this one with the little diamond. That's adorable. Also, most of them have a little diamond in the necklace or the bracelet part, just like this, and on the other side it comes with the letter A. At least the ones I've bought have all come with that. Not to mention, they come with these awesome packages and they have magnetic clips, so I love them for traveling. I always use them. The bigger one comes with a double compartment, so I actually use these ones more because I can just separate all of my jewelry in one and then put it in my purse or my bag. I'm just so pumped that I can gift you a pair of hoop earrings that they sent to me. Any shipping I will pay for. It doesn't matter where you are around the world. Without you, this would not be possible. So I want to give something to you. Thank you so much for always watching and for supporting my channel. All you gotta do to enter is make sure you are subscribed to my channel, like this video, share with a friend or to Facebook, Instagram, it doesn't matter. And then once you're done, go into the comment section and just send a message saying that you are done. And I will announce the winner in 2 weeks. Good luck! And I am so excited that they sent me a code for you so that you can get 10% off with the code ModernDIY10. After you're done watching this video and doing all of this stuff for the giveaway, I would recommend you go and check out their website and check out all their stuff. They have really adorable things. Let's jump back into this DIY because I need to keep going. We need layers, let's go. Okay, already something is happening that I'm loving. See how the black is hitting the texture, so it's making all those different tones pop. Yep. A little scary, but I do like it better. After it was dried, I brought it back inside and I started to layer some more petals all over the place. I let that dry for a few hours and then I went in with some more joint compound. I just chose random spots. I'm just continuing to layer things. I really don't know where this is going yet, but it's going somewhere, that's for sure. To be completely honest, usually I don't really have a plan, especially when I'm doing an art piece because I like very abstract things, so it really depends on what I'm doing or what I'm thinking I'm going to do, or like have an idea, but I never know exactly how it's going to end up, but I'll know when it's done. Do you know what I mean? I really hope you're enjoying this video, and if you are, definitely hit the like button so I know that you enjoy this type of content and I will create more in the future for you. I think I'm done, guys. I think it's done and I really love it. No, it does not look anything like the picture I showed you, but I guess I was inspired by the colors and that's all that matters.
Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I skipped a few of the filming because there was so many layers. This is not the end. There is more and more and more, but I'm going to do you a solid and skip just a few steps just so that you can get there quicker. Anyhow, you see these little pieces right here that I'm pointing out at? I love them. So I'm gonna create more of those and kind of mute more of the tones, but I still want those tones to be there. I just want them muted. Got it? Do you follow? I know it's a lot. Sorry about that. So much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you enjoyed this beautiful painting of mine that screams me. If you like this video, definitely give me a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel grow and it makes my day. What can I say? Want to make my day? Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Alright guys, don't forget about my 10% off at Ana Luisa. So go ahead and check out their stuff. It is Chef's Kiss. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.